took my first step into this little hell, with nothing but my angst and teen spirit smell. And amongst a herd of vultures, to my surprise, sitting by herself, a bird of paradise. Paradise. To my astonishment, she could somehow see something of value in a black crow like me. She would laugh and chit-chat, defend my chronic awkwardness, and each day slipped away. I cursed my damned incompetence. At least we meet again at night within my dreams. I feel the radiant warmth in the embrace of your wings. In your wings. Well, as quickly as it started, it all had to end. Feathers preened your cage, at last opened. Just my luck, I was stuck, watching you fly away from the zoo. Years passed by, yet still I couldn't forget that bird I knew. I hope you're soaring high above the city and snow. And when you look on down, hope you remember this crow. At least we'll meet again tonight within my dreams. I'll feel the radiant warmth in the embrace of your wings. Ooh, 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 ooh. Someday I'll gain the energy, find 1,000 miles to see how far my alien has come from the zoo when it all begun, and see you soaring high above the city and snow. I'll watch you look on down